Welcome back, food lovers! Today, we're making a deliciously simple milk French toast that's perfect for a cozy morning or a sweet treat anytime. Let's get started with the magic. Ingredients: 1 egg, a pinch of salt, 100 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 20 to 25 grams of butter, 1 bread of your choice. Whisk the egg with salt, milk, and sugar until it's smooth and creamy. Give your bread a luxurious milk bath. Move it around gently to let it soak up all that milky goodness. Press lightly so every inch absorbs the mixture. Pour the egg mixture evenly over both sides of the bread. Add your butter to a pan on low heat. Once melted, glide the bread over the buttery surface, making sure every corner gets that rich flavor. Turn the bread gently, letting each side get a gorgeous golden brown crust. Sneak a little peek. Oh, that crispy edge is already making my mouth water. Once perfectly toasted, serve it hot. Add a drizzle of condensed milk for that extra indulgence, or go classic with honey or maple syrup. Look at that! Crispy on the outside, incredibly soft and fluffy on the inside. Every bite is pure comfort. This isn't just breakfast, it's a little piece of heaven on a plate. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes coming your way. See you in the next recipe adventure!